YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy ZayDG, and I'm back with another video. And today, as y'all see by the title, I got another victim on the thick water. No cap, I do got another victim. You seeing this? Sorry, but not sorry, Dad. No cap. Nah, I said I had to get my dad. I gotta get my dad with the thick water. He down there sleep, and he always sleep. So now I'm finna get you, cause you sleeping, and you got you a little drink over there. So, feel me? About to take this syringe, take that thick water, pour it right up in your drink. It's gonna be yummy-licious too, nigga. But if y'all new to my channel, bro, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and welcome to DG World, nigga. Just like that. That's what you gotta do. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and welcome to DG World, bro. It's road to 3K, bro. Road to 3K. We just hit 2, but now it's time for 3. Let's keep it going, bro. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? You like the video? Like it. Don't be lazy, bro. And go like my other socials, bro. My YouTube, my TikTok, Instagram, stuff like that. Things of that nature, bro. Don't care. Don't be scared, bro. Feel me? Try to make it big. But yeah. Bah. Let's get straight into this video, bro. Let's go. It's time. Forget this nigga. Like this.
We are so confident in the capability of our SUVs and the performance of our sedans. We offer a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty on every vehicle in our line. The fact that you're confident in your confidence that you made the right choice.
I gotta get him just like you got me. Oh my goodness. That's it, man. Stop. Shake it up and pour it out. It's already full. You don't waste all the stuff. I already poured it out. Yes, I just went there. Check it up. For what? Shake it up. A little bit more.
That was today's progressive game flow, and a lot of back and forth. The first two meetings between these two teams are 24-17. Atlanta and the Falcons are slated to receive the second half kickoff. Inside broadcast booth,
I keep having to pour this junk out, bruh. You gotta get God, bruh. Damn. I can't.
I think the conversation needs to be the defense, right? Todd Bowles, this defense, they have not been great all year. They've had moments. They need to get a stop. They cannot let Kirk
Go pour it out there.
to go down for another swing drive. Gave up 24 points in the first half. They've got to settle down here in their second half because we said at the top of the broadcast.
Pull up in a 4-4. Pull up in a 4-4 bow. Thick water on deck.
Tell me offensively, what are some of the things you want to get to game plan wise? You did a great job moving the ball.
Moving the ball, when we mixing it up, we get the ball to the ball.
I'm finna take take my popsicle. I'm gonna take my popsicle and go downstairs. Cause you feel me? He gonna get God today. He gonna get God today. Bustin'. Dad, you gotta go? You gotta go somewhere? Can you do this challenge with me for my YouTube channel?
Huh?
I said, can you do a challenge with me for my YouTube channel?
A challenge?
Yeah.
Like what?
Like a drinking challenge.
Drinking what?
Drink water. It's like a water bottle challenge.
What you mean, like just?
Yeah, I just need to make a video. It's just a challenge. We drink, like, see who drink the fastest.
That'll be me.
That'd be me. I'll give you a head start and still beat you. You sweat? I'll give you a head start, and we can do it for money. Cause you hearing me? I'll give you a whole head start. Still beat you.
Let's go.
Also, we gotta do it over here though. Mom, can you record it? Can you record it? Me doing a challenge with Dad. Drink, see who can drink the water the fastest. Here.
On your mark.
Is you ready? Alright.
You set?
You not even. I said y'all give you a head start.
No, we're gonna do it together. Go. The fuck? Was that a hole in your bottle? Shit. I still gotta have a bottle.
I told you it's gonna be easy.
Did y'all bet?
That's why I asked you, do you want to bet? He ain't never said nothing. He said he'll beat me. He said he could easily beat me.
Yeah, but you got a hole in your damn bottle.
No, I don't. Yeah, my jacket ain't wet or nothing.
That wasn't a full bottle.
It was a full bottle.
Oh boy. You got them one of them bottles that look like it's full, but it's probably right there.
I got the same. I literally got the bottom. I was right next to you when I got the bottle.
Long dick joker.
That's good. That's good. You got a shrimp neck. You ain't got no neck. I've been finished. Just like that. You heard me? Mama back there cooking some red and gumbo, you heard me? Look at that thing, baby. Ooh, snap. She cooked that gumbo and changed my ass. Pick a pain.
Put some in my water.
What? I ain't put that in your water.
Yes, you did. Put some in my goddamn water.
What are you talking about? You throw that water like it was nothing. Ain't no what, nothing in
There
your
was
water.
something in there. God damn it, I don't taste of water.
What was in your water?
Exactly what you talking about. What are you talking about? Talking about some what's in my water. That is regular water.
Then you drink it.
I'm not gonna drink after you. Watch out. You're the one for
Drink.
drink after. No, I'm not gonna drink after you. Regular water. You said that throw. Why you gonna throw away the water?
Yeah.
He better not be throwing away the water.
He throw it away the water.
See, we are oily. See, it's oily. See how oily it is?
How the hell is it?
It's oily.
Don't get no more my water.
Yeah. Don't get no more of that water.
Chicken broth.
Chicken broth. You know, dog well wasn't nothing in that water. No, it wasn't. That water was delicious. Victim number 2. Oh man. Got him. Thick water, that's what that was. You ever tried that before? Never. Thick water. Got him.
Who's gonna come back here? Me. That's who.
And guess who started messing with me when I tried to do the doggone prank? You. That's who.
No, I didn't.
Get this. Get the oil. I need the oil. Throw this away. Throw this away.
He got you, bro.
He's so much in denial.
He got me.
Dad know I got him. He's talking about things like chicken broth or something.
He's talking about see is oily. Got him. Then he get you. Stop being always in the down with your little lying tongue ass. You just lie so damn much. You know he got your ass just like he got me. He got you. Say he got you. You know he got your ass. You better not throw my damn water away no goddamn on this. It wasn't no oily water. It was thick water. He put that bad shit in my damn cup. That shit was gross.
Dude, just take the doggone, take it with you.
Hell.
Take it with you. Yeah, take your L. Take your L.
Yeah, it's so hard for him to take that L too, boy.
Just like that. Got him.
I'm turned up. I can't fuck a broke bitch cause she ain't turning up.